If you're a true crime fan or love watching the crime scene investigation process on your favorite TV shows, you probably wonder how you can make that your career. At Grand Canyon University, our forensic science programs get you in the lab your first year, using the same equipment and techniques currently used by crime labs across the country. As you progress through your coursework, you'll get to work with a close-knit community of students and explore major forensic science disciplines to help you choose a specialty. Through courses like your evidence processing and crime scene analysis labs, you'll get hours of hands-on experience, like practicing giving expert testimony and working with mock evidence samples to build your resume, and start working toward a career in the field of forensic science. We can help you get ready for your future profession through career services resources like resume reviews, mock interviews, and job fairs. If you're ready to make your passion for forensic science your career, visit gcu.edu today to learn more.